I see that you took inspiration from me.
Indeed I did. Should I do a poll for which new profile picture he should have if he changes it just for lols?
If you want to.
Yeah, I just don't wanna be annoying lol.
This phantom can be incredibly childish sometimes.
The fandom is on crack lol.
Always has been.
No.
Sofmush 2.0x has stopped working.
Connection terminated.
Praise our T-Sipper Lord.
It's so accurate I could stare at it for hours.
Accuracy is pretty spot on.
Oh look, I knew I would be in Minecraft's hell/the nether.
How is the sun feeling, Dark?
There is no sun, child. Just lava and fire.
Lava, fire, and a shit ton of tea bags. The Dark Warrior danger story.
Yes. I love how LM just like this is fine. I started the fire anyway.
More accurate than accurate.
The fireman.
How original, Fredbear.
Yes, I know very.
Ziva carrot.
We need scientists to selectively breed carrots until we get this.
The vegans are confused, screaming.
I'll take your entire stock.
Invest.
R.I.P.
Oof.
Megaf.
She's missing her top half.
You don't say?
Yes, sir.
But it's the opposite day.
The actual day for opposite day is January 25th.
But the Uno reverse though.
Now let me eat corn dogs because I'm hungry. Do not disturb me while I'm eating.
I'm going to haunt you while you eat.
My stomach is freaking growing right now, let me eat.
Alright, fine.
Dark, holy fuck. Holy fuck, this actually gave me a laugh.
Dark can't sip his tea in peace ever. It gets stolen like all the time.
You're not wrong, it's true. Also, I've changed my OC to this now. He has arms, it's just like that cause of Homestuck and it's long sleeve. Wait, I just came up with a meme. It's like the haha Jonathan you are banging my daughter meme, but I drink his tea and I only got this part. Haha Fredbear, you drinking my tea.
I'll add that to my memes I need to draw so I can make FANDOM on CRACC Part 8 list.
Nice.
At this point, I'm getting used to it. But let me sip my tea in peace.
Dark, holy fuck.
Hello, Papa.
Hello, now let's see. Sipping my tea in peace.
This is basically what is happening.
Yes, accurately, yes.
That's pretty accurate.
LOL. Liz Astley.
He looks so cute. I love it.
He is too cute to be sus.
He probably is, and that's why I love it.
Epic, with a K. And Dark is sus once again.
Maybe or maybe not, but look at him, he's cute with a simple design.
Nice. Wait, what the bloody hell am I sus for now?
I don't know, I'm apparently sus too for stealing your tea or something. IDK.
That's reasonable for you, but why me?
Probably that one time where I slipped on a banana peel while disturbed your peaceful time or something like that.
But, that doesn't make me sus.
Then, I have no idea. Ask her.
Alright, child.
I'm no child.
I wasn't speaking to you though.
Still, but you looking kinda sussy. Did you take her? My dog's life.
Carl, child. I literally love doggos. Why would I do that?
Child, teenager. LMAO Carl, what the fuck?
Hidden agenda.
That's a no.
Take the doggo and you get the stabbo.
But don't you stab someone or stop your tea? That makes it kinda sus.
But they be stealing my tea. What do you want me to do?
Fair enough.
Why thank you.
Will always be in the sus people list because of stealing too much gummy ash and being evil.
That's understandable.
Sus sauce.
YouTube can't understand the word sus and it's fun.
What would you do if you let William Afton? I'd peel his skin off like a fucking banana.
I would give him a good punch in the face.
I'd call the cops. I can't fight that bitch. I'm weak.
Just silently stare at him, making it awkward.
Say. And run.
Accept my fate because I can't defeat him.
Tackle into the ground and choke into this. Can't wait until someone says boo, they always comes back.
But William can't die. He always comes back.
Grab my pocket knife and go stab stab.
Kick him in the balls.
Yes.
So you're implying that he has balls?
Probably don't question me. Went for the stupidest answer that I could think of for no reason besides my brain said kick him in the balls.
Slit his throat.
I'd hire the Fruit Punch Clan to do that instead.
I might call Egg Baby.
Would put him into the soup like he did to the kids.
Take a selfie with him. That's it.
I just ignore him, and act like didn't know who he was. Just keep walking.
Maybe we could put him in the timeout corner?
Bad idea. He always comes back.
I would ask him why, boy, and then punch and kick him.
The captions are very broken so we've got to use time to do the captions instead of auto-generated ones. Lol.
LOL.
I don't know anymore.
Yeah, he does.
Very broken.
YouTube is on drugs. Ignore them.
YouTube is on crack.
I'm pretty sure YouTube is always on crack.
Me waiting for active people.
I am also alive, but I have online classes to 8:40 to 18:30. Pain.
The suffering.
Yes, I suffer every day, except for Sunday and Saturday, of course, but I still suffer.
Do you have Thanksgiving break?
Celebrate Thanksgiving in Turkey.
Oh, oof.
I'll give you 4 bowls of exotic butters for this art.
How about 4 bowls of gummy ash?
You sure? Now hand it over or I'll send plush trap chaser to the bank, also amazing as always.
No.
I should have knew I couldn't trust a gummy killer.
Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later, mortals.